Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you all how you can actually share your Microsoft Workbook with other folks within your organization or people outside of your organization. So all you got to do is come over to your workbook once it's open, come over here to the share in the top right, come over to the share option. And then once you do this, we can go ahead and we can start typing in, first thing you want to do is you want to specify, do we want to share the link with anyone? Do we want to share it just with specific people? The people that we do share it with, do we want them to be able to edit? Do we want a cutoff date? So these are all things you want to keep in mind. But if you're just wanting to just share this with whoever, then you can actually come over and you can do copy link. And then anyone that link would be able to edit. But let's just say anyone with this link, we only want them to be able to view it. So that's fine. Come over here to apply. And now what it's going to do is going to create this link. So I can share this link with someone, they could share it with someone else, and anyone that link's going to be able to view it, but they're not going to be able to make changes to it. And if we wanted to be able to change it so that certain members can only edit this workbook, not anybody can be able to edit it, we can come over here to specific people, and then we can do this. And now we can go ahead and type in someone's name or someone's email. And then once we send this off to them, it should send them an email telling them that we're inviting them to collaborate. And then once they open it up, if they are signed into an account that has been indicated here to being able to edit, then once they're in here, they can actually go ahead and they can start editing the workbook to make whatever changes they want to it. And there's another shortcut here too, where you can just go over here to copy link, and that'll just give you once it's done loading here, it should give us just a direct link that we can share with people. But you can see that by default, it's going to say anyone with this link can edit. So make sure you're paying attention to this, because you may be sharing a link with someone and they may share it with someone else. And before you know it, you have 15 different people who can edit your workbook. So that is a quick crash course in how you can actually share your workbook